Daily use conversation for beginners. What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and coffee for breakfast.
How do you usually get to work?
I usually drive to work.
What do you do for work?
I'm an accountant.
What's your favorite thing to do in the evening after work?
I enjoy watching movies or reading books.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy playing guitar and hiking.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or go out with friends.
What's your favorite type of food?
I love Italian food, especially pizza and pasta.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. I make simple meals like pasta or stir fry.
How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise 3 times a week at the gym.
What's the weather like today?
It's raining today.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer because I love the warm weather.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Yes, I watched a great comedy last weekend.
Do you prefer reading books or watching TV shows?
I enjoy both, but I think I prefer reading books.
What's the last book you read?
I recently finished a mystery novel.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Kitty.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
I love going to the beach, so any seaside destination is perfect for me.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy traveling and exploring new places.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I've been to London. It was a great experience.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and a bit of Arabic.
Arabic. Do you have any upcoming plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visiting family.
Thanks for watching. Click this for watch more interesting videos.